Hey guys, this is Jay with Colony Hills Homestead coming to you with a product review we promised you. So we did an order from Wynola Ranch, quailcage.com, not a sponsored video, but a very user-biased review because I do use their products, their cages, and now their casters because this makes your life so much easier. Now, you know, some of you may have the privilege of having a friend or a family member or somebody to help you every time you need to do some work and some cleanup and all this. I don't have that all the time. So wouldn't it be nice to be able to move your quail cages, sweep under them, clean under them really well, move them back? Hey, roll them outside, you know, for a high pressure washing and get that good and clean. Well, if you don't have these casters, then you're going to be in a bind because you're going to need some help. Now, I can lift the weight that it takes to get that out, but it's too awkward. It's too big. I will just topple it over. I'll bend it. I'll break it. I'll tear it up somehow. Look at these guys. These are heavy-duty casters. Every one of them has a braking mechanism. Wow. That is a heavy-duty caster. So I can't wait to get these put on and to show you. Wow, you can't move that wheel when you get the brake on. These are made for the Wynola cages. Okay, they have 2 screws that are going to tighten down on the end. So what you do is you're going to remove, if you have Wynola cages, you're going to remove that rubber grommet, that rubber portion on the bottom of the cage that helps stabilize it. You're going to remove that. You're going to put the tube in this and tighten it down. So this is awesome. This is great. I cannot wait to use these. And they are a terrific buy. Quailcage.com from Wynola Ranch. Y'all check out David and them over there. They're a wonderful group of people to work with. Fast shipping, great business people. Customer service is at the forefront of what they do. Heck, they even put their phone number on their website to where you can call them or text them. Who does that anymore? There are several people. Hey, Wynola Ranch is one of them. I have David's number. You could have it as well. That's the kind of company that you deal with. People who back up their product, who have customer service at the forefront. And we're going to get into this, guys. Doesn't take but one tool. We're going to put this on the quail cage, and we're going to come back and show you what it looks like, how easy it is to move, how it locks, and how it's going to save this old man's back. Thanks. Be right back. All right, guys, we got the casters on the Wynola cage. I want to tell y'all, this is, wow. How smooth is that? I have been dealing with having to get 2 people to help me manually carry these cages out to get them cleaned up. So I have taken the feeder trays off these. I've taken the poop trays out, except this middle one. I'm fixing to go ahead and take advantage of this and get it outside and give a deep clean on it. But I want to show y'all guys this. Look at this, guys. I'm going to go to the front. I'm just going to pull it right out of here. There's a little lip right here. Wow, comes right over it. Look at this, guys. How easy is that? You can't get any simpler than this. My back, my gosh, I'm doing this with 2 fingers. 2 fingers. All right, we're going to do a recap. Tell y'all the tools that was required, how long it took. Have a good look. Be back in a moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. You saw how simple that was to move that cage around. I mean, it's sturdy. It's so sound. I've got it back in here now. We've cleaned it up. I've got, the water connected back up, the feeders, all that stuff going. I got to have me some more. I gotta have some more of these casters. Man, wow. Makes it so much easier, so much simpler. I thought it was simple as it was. But hey, like, subscribe, share this video. Can't speak highly enough of David and them over at Wynola Ranch, quailcage.com. Go check them out. Wow. You saw 2 tools. I used a flathead screwdriver to loosen. I used a hex screw to tighten. And that was all it was to it. And it has made my life so much easier, and that's what this channel is about. Being a little more self-sufficient, doing things a little easier, saving $1 or $2. Hey, we'll see you next time. Thank y'all.